In this video we will talk about benefits of goji juice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Modernization is wonderful, but there are also other factors in the modern life we live in that may subject our bodies to harm. Understanding what can harm us and what will help us will be our best defense. Free radicals, our body's natural enemy, subject our body to more than 10,000 hits during a normal day. If our body is not able to combat the harmful effect of free radicals, then it may give us disease and prematurely age our body, including our skin. The pristine valleys of Tibet and Mongolia have a solution to this problem. What do you think is their secret? Introducing goji juice, made from goji berries grown in the remote and unpolluted hills and valleys of Tibet and Mongolia. Experts who want to save the people who live in this modern society studied what must be wonderful about these Himalayan diets and why do they live so long and free from diseases. Their studies prove that their diet perpetually include goji berries. Further studies on goji berries prove that they are nutritious and contain vital nutrients necessary to combat free radicals. Goji juice contains potent vitamins and minerals like no other berry. Goji juice also contains 18 amino acids, 8 of which are essential for our bodies, but having all 18 adds to the beneficial characteristic of this wonderful red juice. Based on studies by numerous health professionals including Dr. Earl Mindell, the author of the Vitamin Bible, goji juice made from goji berries can give your body all the nutrients it needs to help keep a healthy and happy life. Goji juice, aside from the 18 amino acids, also has 21 trace minerals, vitamins B1, B2, B6 and vitamin E. All of these can help give you healthy and active life. Some of the beneficial effects of drinking goji juice are energy and strength. Goji juice is considered as an adaptogen. It increases exercise tolerance, stamina, and endurance. Goji juice may also enhance the recovery of ill patients. Cholesterol level balance. Goji juice may also help manage your cholesterol level because it contains beta-sitosterol, which can help in your cholesterol level balance. It will also help avoid cholesterol deposit in the blood vessels, thus heart problems may be eliminated. Normal kidney function. Your kidney is the vital organ that may possibly control the brain and other organs in the body. It is thus essential for better health that you keep your kidneys functioning properly. Goji juice is believed to be helpful in keeping this essential organ functioning properly. Supports general health. As mentioned earlier, free radicals harm our body in many ways. Thus, eliminating this natural enemy will help keep our body strong and avoid illnesses. Goji juice is a potent antioxidant that may keep our body healthy. Other beneficial factors which may come from goji juice are enhanced sexual function, blood sugar level balance and vision problems. This is because goji juice contains more beta-carotene even compared to a carrot. The vitamin C contents of goji juice, which is 500 times more in weight than orange, will help keep the immune system functioning properly to avoid illness. These are only a few of the helpful and beneficial functions of goji juice, and because goji juice is safe even for children. If drinking this sweet and tasty juice excites you well enough, you can also eat goji berries with your food. You can eat them fresh, or the dried goji berries are also available. You may use your imagination as to how you can enjoy these wonderful and amazing berries. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.